Uitați-vă, frate, aici. A venit gârla, a spart gârla aici.
In early June 2026, Romania was hit by a powerful and fast-moving wave of extreme weather that stretched across multiple regions, turning calm summer skies into a chain of storms, flash floods, and rising river emergencies. It began on June 4th, when violent winds swept through Shindrilița in Ilfov County, with gusts exceeding 80 kilometers per hour. Thunderstorms followed quickly, bringing heavy rain and possible hail. Nearby, in Pantilimon, rainfall surged past 50 millimeters in a very short time, overwhelming urban drainage systems and triggering localized flooding. By the same day, heavy storms also struck Bucharest, especially Sector 3, where continuous lightning and downpours disrupted daily life.
Salut, ia uite voi ce a venit aici, am mâncat.
But the situation escalated further. In parts of Ilfov, rainfall reportedly exceeded 80 millimeters, pushing water systems to their limits and raising the risk of serious urban flooding. As the weather system moved, eastern and central regions began to suffer even worse consequences. In Vaslui County, floodwaters inundated towns such as Bucharest and Albesti. Homes, streets, and public buildings were quickly surrounded by rising water. In an unusual and alarming incident, floodwater even entered a local police station in Vaslui, highlighting the severity of the disaster. Emergency teams were deployed continuously to pump out water from homes in areas like Voinești and Epureni. By June 6, the crisis expanded further across Romania. In Buzau County, flash floods struck Lopatari and Busca Chiogdului, where river overflows from the Slanic River swept through nearby land. Roads such as the Onești-Tuta connection in Bacau County became impassable after sudden water surges. Meanwhile, parts of Prahova County, including Cheia and Măneciu, were placed under orange and yellow weather warnings, as landslides and flooding risks increased. Authorities were forced to carry out controlled water releases at the Măneciu Dam to stabilize reservoir levels, urging downstream communities to stay alert. At the same time, heavy rainfall exceeding 80 liters per square meter was recorded in Dumitrăști, while coastal and eastern zones like Lipnița and Constanța County also faced severe downpours. Across rural Romania, frustration and fear grew. Residents reported repeated flooding due to weak drainage systems and overflowing rivers, with some describing the situation as the worst they had ever experienced. As rivers rose, roads vanished, and homes filled with water, Romania faced not just a weather event, but a widespread hydrological emergency that tested infrastructure, emergency response, and community resilience all at once.
Mare,